There he is. He's looking for us.
What's that? You were gonna say something? Sorry.
No, I just said nice day.
Oh, nice day. Oh, there you go. I was wondering where you went.
Yeah. 73. What you got going on here, Steve?
Hey man, how you doing?
That looks great.
It does, and they just did the judge, and I didn't win.
Oh well, whatever. Looks great.
But she is looking fine. I'm pleased with that.
All right, talk to some people.
Yeah,
People asking questions. Yeah,
I've been just
non-stop, right?
Stopping. Most of it is my dad owns
Right.
Well, the closest they've come to me is, hey, I had that car in college.
Tell her he bought this car when it was new, ma'am.
What?
He bought this car when it was brand new.
Oh my gosh.
73. He's my uncle. This is his car.
Well, I was going to say.
He bought it brand new.
My nephew bought a Cutlass that he's reviewing.
Yeah.
And it is.
What do you think? All right. Yeah, this is my uncle's car here.
Oh, it is?
73. He bought it new
Oh, wow.
in 73. Yeah.
It's beautiful. On right here.
I love the color.
The rest of the game. Oh,
Christina's here. She's a Mustang girl, so you know she likes Mustangs.
how are you? Good. Yeah.
You haven't seen this car up close, have you? Once?
I've seen it.
One time?
In the garage. I haven't seen it out.
He cleaned it. Like you spent what, 2 weeks cleaning it up and all? At least a couple of weeks. Yeah.
The seats in it, one of my pride and
He bought this car brand new in 73.
One of my
This car.
friends has a normal Cutlass, not a Supreme.
Yeah, this is my uncle. This is my uncle's car. Him right there. Yeah. He bought this new in 73 and has kept it ever since. Yeah.
This one probably runs better than my friend's.
He worked on it 2 straight weeks to get it perfect for this event.
Paint job's gorgeous.
Isn't it something? Yeah.
Still running strong.
Oh, it is. It won't keep up with some of the things on the road today, but it's still good.
It's pretty. I like the color.
Right?
Emerald green,
Yeah.
named after its car and my mother,
Okay.
Emmy Lou.
Nice, right? Look at that top. Top looks nice. Looks great.
Yeah, you don't get a chance to see it in the good sunlight very much.
Right, look at the sparkle coming off of the green,
Yeah, it's
man.
got that flesh paint on it, so it does look good.
And no others here? No Cutlass?
I'm the only
How about-
Cutlass Supreme.
Nice. Right, because you see a ton of like these and
Yeah, Camaros.
other Chevys and
Yep.
stuff. You
Now,
know, that
somebody on the list showed me that there's 2 Delta 88s.
Oh,
I
yeah.
haven't seen them.
Okay. Nice. Really nice. Look at this guy. Oh my god.
The wind might be affecting the mic,
Nice.
so I do apologize in advance.
4-speed. Okay. Nice.
And the red caddy just got best in show and antique.
Wow.
So 50,
What? 58?
57 or 8.
Wow. Goodness.
But you can take a look at that car. close.
That's
It
a-
is pristine.
Mm.
He deserved that medal.
The GTO right there.
Only one GTO. And the Firebird next to it.
Nice.
All right, thanks everybody for being here.
I was thinking you come up next to the queue. Jay's blocking traffic when they'll let you in. Oh, so it's got the end, okay. Yeah. So one of the biggest reasons I went with it.
Look at this guy.
So should we trade these?
Look at the XKE.
Yeah, my other my gray one. Oh, that's cool. So it's an open pin. I can do what I want.
Broncos look awesome.
I know, right? That's a perfect accessory, girl. So that Bronco.
Right here.
All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. I'll see you next year. So are you driving it like that? Where do y'all normally set up? The shop is
It's like getting hot in that sun. Hot. Steve was saying I would have worn shorts. I thought it was going to be cooler than this. Rivian. Anything else good? I know something good. How you doing? Do you have a favorite? Is there a favorite out here?
It's all good.
There's a lot of nice ones. It's hard to choose.
Look at this Volvo. It's so small.
Oh, that was
My dad tried to restore a Volvo P1800 and it never happened.
The people were done.
Little Fiat.